Hi guys, it's me Harris from ZodEDU. Welcome back to Zod Online English Training Program. Today we're going to learn some common phrases that native speakers use in their real life situations. So, are you ready? Then let's get started. നിങ്ങൾ ഫുട്ബോൾ കളിക്കുന്നത് പോലെ ബാസ്കറ്റ്ബോൾ കളിക്കാറുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? പിന്നെ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് മലയാളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്? ഇനി മുതൽ നിങ്ങളും ശരിയായ രീതിയിൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിച്ചു തുടങ്ങും സോഡ് ELP കോഴ്സിലൂടെ. So look at the first one. How is it going? Or how you doing? How is it going? Or how you doing? Which mean how are you? But how are you is a very formal phrase, very formal. We usually use how are you in a formal situation. But how is it going? Or how you doing, we usually use a lot in our informal situation. When you are meeting a friend, when you are meeting your colleagues, we usually use how is it going or how you doing. Well, how are you എന്നതിന്റെ പകരം ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന phrase ആണ് how is it going or how you doing. Look at the next one. Hey, what's the matter? What's the matter means what's the problem. What's the problem എന്നതിന്റെ പകരം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വളരെ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡാണ് what's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? And the third one, what do you fancy? What do you fancy? Which means, what do you like? Hey, what do you fancy? What do you fancy means, what do you like? Look at the fourth one. Hey, where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been means, where were you? Hey, where have you been? So, where were you? Where were you yesterday എന്ന് ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ പകരമായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡാണ് where were you. നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത്രയും കാലം എവിടെയായിരുന്നു ഒക്കെ ചോദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡാണ് where have you been. Where have you been? So where were you, you can replace that word where were you and where have you been. Where have you been? Next phrase is long time no see or I haven't seen you for ages. I haven't seen you for ages. Long time no see. ഈ രണ്ട് വേർഡ്സും നമ്മൾ I haven't seen you for a long time എന്നുള്ള മീനിങ്ങിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതാണ്. I haven't seen you for a long time. I haven't seen you for a long time. The same expression you can use, I haven't seen you for ages. For ages means for a long time. Or you can also use long time no see. Next, you look gorgeous. Gorgeous means you look beautiful. Beautiful. So we can use gorgeous as a synonyms of beautiful. Next, I'm really exhausted. I'm really exhausted means I'm really tired. And tired is a synonyms for exhausted. But gorgeous and exhausted are very common phrases that native speakers usually use in their day-to-day life situations. So let's look at some expression that you can use and if you want to give a surprise news to your friends. So look at the first one. Guess what? I've got a job. Guess what? Guess what mean if you want to give a surprise news, you can use that phrase, guess what? I have got a new job. Look at the next one. You won't believe it. I'm getting married. You won't believe it. You won't believe it means, yeah, ningal vishwasikula. So, you won't believe it. I'm getting married. So, you can use this expression if you want to give a surprise news. Similarly, you can use, have you heard the news? He has got a promotion. Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? That's also we can use to give a surprise news. Let's look at how to respond surprise news. Look at the first one. No way. No way means if you don't believe something, you can say that no way. Or you can also use I can't believe that. I can't believe it. I can't believe it means yeah, you don't believe that news. Or you can also use oh, you're joking. You're joking, or you can also say that you're kidding, you're kidding, you're kidding, and you're joking. You can use these phrases and if you don't believe some surprise news. Now let's look at some common phrases that you can use making suggestions in English. First one, let's eat out tonight. It's a kind of suggestion. And you can use another expression, can we go for a walk? Can we? Or shall we have a break? I'm going to break it. Shall we have a break? Or how about going on holiday? നമുക്കൊരു ഹോളിഡേക്ക് പോയാലോ? How about going on a holiday? And why don't we have a party? And why don't we have a party? Why don't we arrange a party? നമുക്കൊരു പാർട്ടി നടത്തിയാലോ? So all these phrases we can use making suggestions in English. You can use any of these phrases, but the meaning is almost same. Okay, all these phrases we use making suggestions. And finally, let's look at how to respond to these suggestions in English. The first one, sounds good, or sounds fun, sounds interesting, and sounds thrilling, sounds exciting. You can use all these phrases, and if you agree with these suggestions, or you can say that, oh, brilliant idea, oh, wonderful, a wonderful idea, oh, wonderful, brilliant idea. You can also respond using these phrases, and you can agree to these suggestions. ഇത്തരം ഫ്രേസുകളൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇതിനോട് റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. But if you don't agree, you can say that, oh, sounds boring, oh, sounds terrible, sounds not exciting. Okay, you can also disagree with these suggestions. So using these phrases, but sounds boring, sounds not exciting, and sounds terrible. And this is how we disagree with these suggestions. And we use all these phrases in our day-to-day life situation. So if you use these phrases, you can speak more like native speakers. So try to use these phrases in your day-to-day life conversation, and you can speak English like an Englishman. And that's all for now, and see you on next video. Bye.
For more updates, youtube.com/ZodEDU.